Now let's go back to Nakuru Local's hearing of a case in which 6 KWS officers are accused of being behind the disappearance of fisherman Brian Odhiambo at Lake Nakuru National Park since January has begun today. The 6 pleaded not guilty to the charge of abduction with the intent to confine and are appearing before Senior Principal Magistrate Kipkirui Kibelian at the Nakuru Law Courts. The 6 are said to have arrested Brian for trespassing into the national park for illegal fishing activities, but never produced him in court, and neither did they surrender him to the police after the arrest.
A request for the documents on the prosecution. In the end, I do not find sufficient cause to adjourn this matter and direct that the matter proceeds for hearing as scheduled. Shall we? Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Mr. Smith, appearing alongside my colleagues, Ms. Sang and Mr. Uma from the ODPP. Why are we here? Your Honor, we are here because of assumptions and decisions. We're here because of decisions that led...
Sorry. I hope I'm not expected to record at that speed.
Sorry. And decisions. We are here because of the decisions that led to the enforced disappearance of Brian Odhiambo, who is a son, a husband, and a father, on the 18th of January, 2025. Your Honor, this is a case of abduction with intent to confine, and what began as a lawful arrest by the accused persons before this court ended up as an abduction of Brian Odhiambo, as he was never booked at any police station or presented before any court of competent jurisdiction to face any charges. Your Honor, in this case, the prosecution will be calling 10 witnesses to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. Our witnesses will demonstrate to this court that the accused persons before you, upon encountering Brian Odhiambo within the precincts of Lake Nakuru National Park, before you, upon encountering Brian Odhiambo within the precincts of Lake Nakuru National Park, chased, arrested, brutally assaulted, forcefully took him away, and bundled him up into an awaiting KWS motor vehicle and ferried him to an unknown location, never to be seen again. Your Honor, this event was never booked or reported at any police station.
Now, that's the advocate handling Brian Odhiambo's case, and according to him, Brian Odhiambo was never booked at any police station. It's a mysterious case that we are still following up and will, of course, bring